Look at this. Hola mi gente maravillosa, what's up guys? Well, today is another day and you know what? I'm here in Miami. So I haven't been in Miami a long time ago and this is actually the place called Bayside Marketplace. So let's check it out and see what do I have for today. Let's go. So usually once you get in the parking lot, you have the options to go to anywhere, everywhere. If you want to get a bus tour, some areas where you can just buy tickets like that one there, for example. So you can get the city tours, boat tours, Key West, any other tours that you want to do it, not only for today, but also for another days. But you can also check on the website. That is going to be a little more easier for you. So what I'm going to try to do today, I hope, is try to do this. The Thrill Miami Speedboat Adventures. So I'm gonna check it out. How much are those tickets? How you doing, man? Tickets for the speedboat? No, sold out. Sold out? For real? All right. So as soon as I got here, I'm actually in the parking lot, and this is what I found. There is people right now because of the situation between Palestinians and Israelis. Now we have some people doing some strikes around here. So, well, this is the zone. This is Miami. Alright guys, so this is the Torch of Friendship Monument. So I'm right here before the entrance of Bayside Marketplace. So, and actually in front of me, it is Biscayne Boulevard. And right now there's a strike. People actually from Palestine complain about the situation that, you know, the international situation that's happening with Israel. Argentina, Bolivia. These are the shields, the national shields of each country. See, this is Brazil. This is Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Ecuador. That is where I grew up, in Ecuador, and that's the shield. Here we have Salvador, El Salvador. This is Guatemala, Haiti, Honduras, Jamaica, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay, and Venezuela. Okay, so I haven't get inside Bayside Marketplace. I'm still by the park section, which is called Bayfront Park. In that side, which is the other side of the street, you're gonna find also restaurants, bars, boutiques, and clubs. You're gonna stay here during the night. Not sure if the clubs are gonna be open because of COVID, but so far it's still gradually open up a little bit. So, but I'm not sure which one are gonna be open. In the other side is where all the people start getting inside to the Bayside Marketplace, which is big. And you can either come in from this section or all the way to the other side over there. So the whole area is just a district, it's big. unfortunately, Speedboat is sold out. No tickets for today. I had to reserve in advance, maybe a couple weeks in advance, because people like to go that way. So it has a great machine, those motors, it will go so fast that it feels like it's a rocket. So once it goes to the ocean, I think it's like a 45 minutes tour, which is very cool. But look at this. This is the whole bay. It's why it's called Bayside Marketplace, because it's a place where you're gonna find so many restaurants, boutique stores, bars. So much vibe in here, and very happy. Look at the water. The water right now is almost like, I don't know, it's like it is green water. So happy about this. $40 per person. So how long does it take?
It's 45 minutes.
45 minutes? All right, cool. So cool. I was able to get this Speedboat. Pretty much I convinced her to get the tickets in a shorter time because they have the ticket for 7:30 at night. It is okay, but it will be much better to do it right now because the weather is just perfect. So I had to go back in the next 10 minutes. Maybe she will be able to let me get in around 2 o'clock, which is in 30 minutes or 20 minutes. So I'm gonna wait around here, I'm gonna take a few pictures, and this is so cool. The environment is just amazing. It's so much going on right now. It is literally so much going on right now. I'm so excited about this, but let me tell you this. So this cost around $40 just to get it here, and that's gonna take 45 minutes. Now it is gonna take me again to the bay, but in a super high speed, like a race car. So this is like a Ferrari type of boat. So let's see how fast this thing is. Now that is the line of people gonna be waiting about this tour. So I definitely need to go over there. Which is gonna go faster, but the guys are thinking and come out. It's very cool. Alright guys, my adventure in Bayside Marketplace is not over yet. Please stay tuned for the next second part of this video. Now, don't forget to subscribe. Very important, please, that's gonna help me. And also, give it a like. And thank you for watching the DViaje Travel Vlog. Muchas gracias por ver the DViaje Travel Vlog. Espero que les haya gustado. And I really hope to see you in the next video. See you soon.